viewers, I am Birajini Samantaray from Aryabhatta Career Academy. Present you before by taking my topic as English grammar, word, sentence and parts of a sentence. So let us start with a word. What do you mean by word? In English grammar, word means a group of letters having a complete meaning is called a what? A group of letters having a complete meaning. Suppose cow, C-O-W, cow, a group of letters having a meaning. It is also a word. But if I will write O-W-C, so whether O-W-C having any meaning, complete meaning? No, at all. Because these are the group of letters but having no meaning. That's why O-W-C is not a word. Next, if I will see country, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. It is making one group and having a complete meaning. Country. If I will write L-O-W, low, whether it is also 3-digit letters but having no complete meaning. We cannot understand what is the meaning of L-W-O. So it is not a sentence, it is not a word, but country is a word. So I clear here a group of letters having a complete sense, having a complete meaning or sense is called a word. So let us start with this sentence. Sentence. So, defining sentence having 5 properties. Defining sentence having 5 properties. Number 1, a group of letters a group of words 2. Starts with a capital letter. Starts with capital letter. Property number 3. Ends with a punctuation mark either full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Ends with a punctuation mark, either full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Property number 4. With a proper grammatical order and 50 property with a complete meaning. Is called a sentence. So, sentence having 5 properties. To make one sentence having 5 properties. Without any one property, it must not be called as a sentence. So, a group of words. We came to know the words are a meaningful group of letters. A group of words starts with a capital letter. To make one sentence, first word and the first letter of the first word must be capital letter. Third property, ends with a punctuation mark. So, 3 main punctuation marks are there. Ends when a sentence comes an end. It takes either full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. So, it is compulsory. Fourth property of the sentence is with a proper grammatical order. If you will write any words with a capital letter ends with the either question tag or full stop or exclamatory mark, without grammatical order, you cannot call as a sentence. Proper grammatical order should be there. Otherwise, it must not be called as a sentence. So, fifth property of a sentence is with a complete meaning is called a sentence. All the four properties will be there. Last property is to have a sense, complete sense. This group of a sentence starts with a capital letter, ends with a either full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark. Next, with a proper grammatical order, and it gives us a complete meaning is called a sentence. So, I have to prove you. Suppose examples. I write a letter. So, here I is the subject, write is verb, a is the article or adjective, letter is the object. Subject, verb 1, adjective, and letter is also what? Object, or it is noun. Subject or pronoun. So, here this sentence bears the meaning. I write the subject of that sentence. Writes a letter. It is there. I started with a capital letter, keeping the full stop as it is requirement, and with a proper grammatical order, and it is understood by us. That's why this group of letters is called as a sentence. As a sentence. If I will write, it is a complete sentence. If I will write, write a post. Whether it starts with the capital letter? No. Write a post. Whether it is any either full stop or question mark or exclamatory mark in that within that sentence group of words? No. That means this part is not completed. This part of a sentence must be completed. But if we will keep these three punctuation marks, then it will be completed. So, either we will understand which punctuation mark will be used here. So, when one punctuation mark is not there, we must not call as a sentence. Next, if I will say, do you help me these words words when I arrange D is a capital letter and ends with one punctuation mark, but it does not understand. Its meaning is not clear. Why? Because this punctuation mark is a wrong punctuation mark here. So here it is not proper punctuation mark of a sentence of this sentence, because this sentence asking something, for which asking something will bear this punctuation mark, extra, that is a question mark. Instead of this, it should come as. That's why when a wrong punctuation coming, we must not call it as the particular sentence. Meaning is understood, but mark is not given as a punctuation mark, as a question mark. That's why it must not be called as a sentence. Next, ku, fu, su, do. Ku, fu, su, do. Group of words, but having no meaning and no punctuation mark, no grammatical order, and no capital letter. We don't know what is the meaning of this group of words. That's why ku, fu, su, do is not a sentence. I see you every day. So, capital letter ends with a positive full stop and with a proper grammatical order, with a complete meaning. So, it will be called as a sentence. Okay, my dear viewers, I define you what is the meaning of a word and what is the meaning of a sentence. Let us start with the parts of the words are used in a sentence. The words are used in a sentence are called what? The words are used in a sentence called as parts of a speech. So, suppose I write you very often. So, what I write, write, word you, word very, word of, word often. These are the words used in this sentence. These words are, which words are used in the sentence, these are called as parts of speech. What do you mean by parts of speech? The words used in a sentence called as parts of speech. So, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. So, there are 8 parts of speech in English grammar. One is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverb, sixth is conjunction, seventh is preposition, eighth is interjection. So, in a sentence, the words are used are called as a parts of speech. In English grammar, there are 8 parts of speeches. They are, one is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverb, sixth is conjunction, seventh is preposition, and eighth is interjection. So, let us start with the first parts of a speech of this sentence now. Now, The definition of noun is all the naming words are called as a noun. All the naming words are called as a noun. Suppose animal, flower, fruits, Delhi, India, North Pole. Examples: animal, flower, fruits, Delhi, India, North Pole. If you will see these things, animal is a fauna society, refers to fauna society. Flowers, the flora society, birds when bloom, it called as a flowers. Fruits, so from flowers, when in a plant society, from flowers, fruits are also grown. Delhi, it is the name of a particular place, Delhi. India, a particular country. India is the word India is a particular country's name. North Pole, one part of polar system or pole system of Earth is the North Pole. So these are names of a subject. That's why these are called as a noun. Let us see how many types of nouns are there in English grammar. In my previous video, grammar video, I had mentioned there that 1985 British grammar was revised. India follows British grammar in academical career. So, when we British grammar follows, traditional grammar was there and present grammar is there. So, according to traditional grammar, English grammar, British grammar, there are, according to British traditional grammar, there are five nouns plus One more noun. Are there. Are in English grammar. First noun. According to today, I am explaining you the traditional grammar, British traditional grammar. Noun, how many? 5 plus 1. So, first is common noun. Second is proper noun. Third is material noun. Four is collective noun. Fifth is abstract noun. Plus one more noun. That one more noun is called as verb noun or gerund. Sixth one, verb noun or gerund. So, according to traditional British grammar used in India are 5 plus 1. 5 are 5 were common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective. Fourth is collective noun, fifth is abstract noun, sixth is verb noun or gerund. So these are the traditional grammar noun about to nouns classification. In my next video, I will explain you all these nouns. Next, the present grammar. In present English grammar, there are only 2 nouns. One is countable noun, other is uncountable. countable, so in a 1985 British grammar was revised. According to that revised grammar, there are only two nouns in English grammar. One is a countable noun, countable noun, countable noun, and second is uncountable noun. Countable noun, which noun, which naming words we can count, and which naming words we cannot count, that is called as an uncountable noun. So my dear viewers, in my next video I will explain you all about that 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 nouns of a traditional grammar and the present English grammar, countable and uncountable. I will explain you in my next video. Till then, goodbye. But before going to goodbye, you see my channel and understand the English grammar, and if any doubt you your opinion you give in the comment box. Subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.